Understanding Android malware threats.
Android devices are common targets for malware, which can steal personal information, track your activity, and damage your device. Protecting your phone or tablet requires not just awareness, but also active steps using built-in security features and trusted tools. Let's go through fundamental ways to harden your Android device against malware threats.
Update your device and apps regularly.
Keeping your Android operating system and all installed apps updated is crucial. Security updates patch vulnerabilities that attackers exploit. Enable automatic updates by going to your device settings and checking for both system and app updates. Make it a habit to install available updates promptly to reduce the risk of malware infections.
Manage app permissions and downloads.
Only download apps from the official Google Play Store, since third-party stores are more likely to host malicious apps. Before installing any app, check its reviews, ratings, and required permissions. Periodically review app permissions and settings, and revoke any that seem excessive or unnecessary, such as access to your contacts or location for apps that shouldn't need it.
Use built-in security features.
Android devices have several security settings to help defend against malware. Enable Google Play Protect, which scans installed apps for suspicious behavior. Use a secure screen lock method like a PIN, pattern, or biometric authentication. Consider turning on device encryption and regularly backing up your data to keep information safe in case of an attack.
Install trusted security tools.
Some security apps offer extra layers of protection, such as real-time malware scanning and safe browsing. Stick to well-known antivirus apps with strong reputations. Avoid apps that promise unrealistic protection or come from unknown developers. Remember to uninstall any apps you no longer need to minimize your device's vulnerability.
Practice safe browsing and messaging.
Be cautious with links in emails, texts, or social media messages, even from sources you trust. Avoid downloading attachments or visiting questionable websites. Phishing and deceptive sites are common ways malware is distributed. Use your browser's safe browsing features and refrain from sharing sensitive information with unknown contacts.
Monitor and review device security regularly.
Schedule regular checkups of your device's security settings and apps. Look for unfamiliar or suspicious activity and take immediate action if you notice anything unusual. By staying vigilant and following these steps, you significantly reduce the risk of malware affecting your Android device.